Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Dianna's Homestead. You guys are here with me, Dianna, and I am back out here in my food forest with yet again another problem, you guys. I believe that I have rabbits that are eating the stems and bark of my blueberry bushes. Let me show you guys what is going on. Let's get into it. Okay, so here is one of my blueberry bushes that I planted here last year. Let me show you guys what these rabbits are doing. Check this out. You see that? I did not prune these bushes. The rabbits have been out here. They have been gnawing all on my blueberry bushes, you guys. I mean, they're going to end up killing them. Look at this. They have practically taken this whole blueberry bush almost down to the ground. And this is my peach sorbet. But this is an example right here of how you can tell if you got rabbits that are gnawing on your blueberry bushes. Look at this. Fresh. It'll zoom in. They are cutting it right off and chewing them down. And they have been doing it to all of my blueberry bushes. I came out here yesterday and that's when I seen it. I said, what is going on here? And I Googled it because I had no idea that the rabbits were doing this. I thought maybe they would just eat the blueberries off the bush. But no, they actually love, especially in the fall and winter months, they love to eat the bark and the freshly buds here. Look at this. Just planted these, 2 weeks ago? And look, they're already tearing them out the frame. Look at this. Each one of them. Boy, I am so upset. So today, I'm going to be out here. So today, you guys, I am going to be out here working in my blueberry patch here to see if I can protect them. I have got to protect my blueberries. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to spend some money, which I have, and I have got some fencing that I'm going to put around this blueberry patch here around the perimeter. So let me show you guys what I got. Here we go. I went to Tractor Supply. I picked up this fencing here and some T-posts. And I don't know what these things are, but this is what you attach the fencing to the T-post with. So I am going to go around here. And I'm going to put this fencing up, and I'm also going to put some netting around it. And look at here, you guys. Here is more evidence of the rabbits. Look at this. Droppings right here, and look. Blueberry right there. See there? Boy, they've been having a feast out here. Now, this blueberry bush is taller than the rest of them. But, let's see here. I think they might have gotten this one right here. But like this, look at this one. Look at that. Focus. See that? That's his teeth. Went right on through it. And these rabbits, if you don't catch this, they will kill your blueberry plants. So you guys take a good look. If you notice that your blueberry plants are like they're being eaten or something, more than likely it's rabbits. Look at that. Okay, you guys, I got one of these things here from one of the big box stores. I can't recall which one, but this is what you're going to need to hammer your T-post. These right here. you're going to need this to hammer this down into the ground. So okay, and this thing is a little heavy, you guys, so, and it's loud. And this is also how you put fencing up, wire fencing. Voila! So we got our first one in. Okay, you guys, so I want to show you I have some scrap wood here in my fire pit. So what I did was I just took some pieces out, and I'm going to get ready and make me a makeshift gate. Here's the gate. So what I did was I put those 4 pieces of wood together. I used some screws, and then I took the wire and I tacked it on with these little staple type things, and I found these hinges in my shed, and I just made something out of nothing right here. So that's the gate. I got a little lock on here. So here's the inside. I got it fenced in all the way. We got to protect the harvest, you guys. We got to protect our food source. Yes. So all the way fenced in, and then what I'm gonna do for the birds, I'm going to get netting. Once the berries get on here, look at this one. This one is really coming along. But once the berries get on, I'm going to put netting on them. But hopefully this right here will keep those pesky rabbits out. Okay, you guys, so this has been a long day. I'm tired, but I got it done. And I want to thank y'all for coming along with me as I try to do this extra protection here to keep these rabbits from tearing up my blueberry bushes. And if you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. Until next time, I will be seeing y'all. Bye.